Good morning, everyone. It's Miss Daisy. Welcome to my kitchen. This week is Leafy Greens Week, and so far we've been making spinach egg muffins. We've been making spinach pesto pasta with peas. Today is actually going to be our last leafy greens recipe, which is Popeye's power smoothie. And in order to make this, we're going to need 2 cups of crushed ice, 1 banana. We're going to need 2 cups of fresh baby spinach, a half a cup of pineapple juice, 1 cup of orange juice, and you need a half a cup of low-fat plain yogurt or low-fat vanilla yogurt. I have non-fat yogurt here that's plain. Okay, tools you're going to be needing are measuring cups and also a liquid measuring cup to measure out your liquids, and a blender. So before we get started, we need to wash our hands and tie your hair back if you have long hair. Let's go wash our hands. I'm going to be adding the 2 cups of crushed ice. I'm going to add 1 banana. I'm going to add 2 cups of fresh baby spinach. Now I'm going to be switching to my liquid measuring cup, and I'm going to measure out our pineapple juice and our orange juice. So it says that we're going to need 1 cup of orange juice, and a half a cup of pineapple juice. Now switching to my measuring cups, I'm going to need a half a cup of the non-fat plain yogurt. Half a cup of non-fat plain yogurt. Okay, now we're going to combine all the ingredients and blend it until smooth. It looks like it's nice and smooth after a couple of seconds. Let's move over here. Have my cup here. And we are done. Our Popeye power smoothie. So this is our last leafy greens recipe. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and hope that you find this to be delicious. And just a reminder that the non-fat yogurt that I used, I actually got this at a local food pantry. And yeah, I think that's the only ingredient that you can find for free at a local food pantry. And I hope you enjoyed this. It can be a breakfast smoothie, this breakfast smoothie. So until next time, bye.